What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's been a minute. I haven't been able to catch y'all up on my month of February. Got behind on a little recording, man. But I just came back to just give y'all my February recap, my All-Star Weekend recap as a whole. Just show y'all all the shoes that I dropped, man. But first and foremost, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with me for when I drop some new heat. And I got my Instagram name right down here, man. Head over to IG, give me a follow, drop a comment. Let me know, man. Just let me know how y'all feeling. Comment on some sneaker pics, man. Let me know if it's heat. Let me know if I got some hype on my page, man. Y'all let me know. But getting straight to the shoes, man. This is probably gonna be my shoe of the year. I know it's early, and this actually isn't my pair, to be honest with you. This is my bro Fred pair. So shout out to him for letting me review these. My pair be in next week, so I'm not on here flexing, y'all. I promise I'm not on here lying. But like I said, man, y'all see the holes in the box. Look like a pack of Swiss cheese. I got these off-white 5s, man. Like I said, I know it's early in the year, but I still think these are gonna be my sneaker of the year. The Jordan 5 is one of my top 3 models, man. 1s, 3s, and 5s. And the metallic 5 in particular is like my favorite Jordan 5. Man, you see I got my pair from 2011 sitting up here. That's my go-to Jordan 5, and I love a black shoe. So when Virgil added his little remix to here, man, it hit with me, bro. Like, these really hit. I don't really like the hole in the tongue per se, but I like it. They slimmed down the Jordan 5. It's kind of flimsy, but I like the slimming. The Jordan 5 is like a real bulky shoe, so the slimming of the materials on here does work. It has like it has the netting and everything, has the holes in both sides of the net, has the off-white Oregon text on each side. Got the Nike Air on their booty, of course, man. Got the aged clear lace lock. He already yellowed the outsole, man. These are just ready to wear. These come ready to wear, man. This is not a shoe that's like has that icy outsole. So you know, just any shoe that has that icy outsole, you know you're kind of tempted to put them up. You don't want to wear them on this day. You just kind of walk in them all delicate at first, man. But these are ready to wear, man. One thing I don't like is like I don't like the structure of the stitching too much. If you can see, it's like frayed material outside of each stitching. That's the one downfall that I do kind of have, man. It's not a deal breaker for me because these are still fire, but like things like this, how they flow over over like the shoelaces and stuff like that, man, I feel like that should have been stitched a little better. But the shoe is still fire because the speckle print on the shark's teeth, man. Just a super fire Jordan 5, man. Super fire, man. Super clean. But without further ado, man, without me telling y'all how fire they are, I'm gonna let y'all see for yourself, man. So we're gonna get up close and personal with these before we move on to the next shoe. Now, getting up close and personal with these off-white 5s, man, you see on top it has the holes in the box, the red jump, man. It's a basic Jordan 5 box, pretty much with holes in it. You see all the holes on each side, man. That's why I call it like some Swiss cheese, man. This is crazy. The tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, black, fire red, and mousseline. This is a size 10. Like I said, this is not my size. My size will be here in a couple of days. Now, getting straight to it, man. You see the Nike Air on that booty, man. You see they got the 23 on the side, got the hole in the side where the netting usually is. Just like a charcoal gray all the way around. This is really just a metallic 5 with an extremely aged and unfinished look to it. Has the yellowing on the outsole. Has the Nike Oregon branding on the inside. The lace locks are like a clear, but this still has the aged look to them with the red candy painted looking actual lock part of it as well. It has the black off-white tag on these. I'll probably actually take a red off-white tag from my one of my other pairs and rock it with these just to add the red flavor to it. Comes with cream laces and red laces. You know, it has the shoelaces written on there. It's the same on this shoe, man. It has the yellowing on the outsole, kind of see-through on that gray part. Just a clean off-white shoe. And I'm not really a big off-white guy. I have 2 pairs. I have the Chicagos and I have the UNCs. But like I said, one of my favorite pairs of shoes is the metallic 5, man. So this just It just hopped out to me, man. I had to cop these. You can see the black off-white tag says off-white, CO Nike 2020 zip tie. So if you need to try to legit check a pair, I try to put like some slow images on here, but let me know how y'all feeling about these. And now getting straight to the next shoe, I picked these up out in Chicago for All-Star Weekend. I kind of showed you guys the pickup on my day 2 vlog, but I'm just gonna do just a quick showing of them. It's a women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, black, dark powder blue, gem red. Y'all already know what these are. Got the UNC, the Chicago's. This is just crazy quality on these. No lie, this is like a 2016 BRED quality. I always talk about that when I come to ones. That's like my favorite shoe. I love BREDs period, but the 2016 BRED is like my favorite BRED for sure. Has the leather hang tag, which is a nice touch. I've been seeing a lot of people get their blue custom painted into red so they have a cheap pair of BREDs. So I mean, that's a nice option for you. I may double up and do that just so I can have an extra pair of BREDs to run around in, bro, because like I said, that is my favorite pair. But these are hard, man. I'm not gonna lie. The blue and the red hits on there. These are better than the Fearless joints. They're not better than the top 3s because of the mismatching of the top 3s, but these are crazy. I like this quality better than those. But let's get up close and personal with these really quick, man, just so I can show you guys some of these details. You probably already seen them, but we're gonna show you this quality on my pair in particular, man. Alright, now getting up close and personal, man. See, it has the red Nike box. Like they went back to that. I spoke about that from the Fearless pack. I like that touch. Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, black, dark powder blue, and gem red. It's a size 13 women, 11.5 in men. Just getting straight to the shoe, man. It's a basic Jordan 1. Has the baby blue on the back from his North Carolina days. Has the red on the front from the Chicago Bulls days. And it has the leather hang tag, man. Just a super nice quality on these. Red insole with the Nike Air. Really nice leather. Nice tumble. Like I said, it reminds me of like a 2016 pair, man. You can't really go wrong with a black and red one. I added the blue on here, which is cool. But like I said, man, just a nice quality overall. Hopefully you cop these. Hopefully you cop them for retail. But even if you didn't, they're not going for that much over retail in the aftermarket, man. So if you want them, go ahead and grab them. But let me know y'all honest opinion, man. Let me know how y'all feeling on these. Now the next pair of shoes I already showed in my day 1 vlog. Back from my All-Star Weekend for Chicago. I'll drop that link in the description. Just want to go over these, man. Like I said last time, Nike did not give me my white laces. So I got my white laces. I got the Chicago version. Only difference on these, man, I believe this tag on the Chicago box says Varsity Red. The tag on the general release pair, so to say, was Fire Red. It's the only difference as far as on the box. This pair has Shy on the back instead of Nike Air. And on the insides of the insoles, man, I'll try to post a picture right up here. The insoles on these have different colors, and it's supposed to be like for the train lines in Chicago. So other than that, man, if you got the Nike Air pair, you're generally wearing the same shoe. But if you want that little extra, I say go ahead and grab these. They aren't too much in the aftermarket, maybe $250 to $280 depending on size. So if you want that Chicago exclusive, just a stamp that this is an All-Star Weekend release, which is kind of my take on it, I would say go ahead and grab those, man. Now lastly, but definitely not least, man, this next pair, red Nike box. I always say I like this flip from 2019. Like how they made the Nike boxes red, just something a little different. I always say that I like that aspect, man. Got the receipt right here from Foot Locker. Now when most people see this bag, they already know what these are. But for those that don't know, these are kind of wrapped like a Christmas present, man. The Air Jordan 1 High OG 85s, reverse breads, all these nicknames. That's what we got, man. We got the 85 highs. And I actually grabbed these for my partner. He had them for a real good price. He didn't really want them, but he hit the dub on them. So, you know, I had to grab these, man. This wasn't my, wasn't on the head of my list for All-Star Weekend. I just couldn't pass on the deal. The main shoe I was trying to get was those Off-White 5s, so I ended up creating a win for those. So you know, Breads are still my favorite Jordan 1. So it was just cool to have like a new piece of history. You know, they tried to recreate the exact versions of what he wore in '85 with this shoe and the shoes on the New Beginning pack. So you know, I feel it. I went ahead and grabbed it. Now let me grab a 2016 pair so I can show them side by side real quick. All right, here we have the 85 pair. Here we have the 16 pair. Now they said the 85 high was supposed to be the original height, a higher shoe. But if you can look side by side, the 16 is literally higher than this 85. I don't know what, I don't know how that happened. If you advertise something as going to be, oh, this is going to be the OG, this is the high top, it's going to be this and that, but this pair is still higher. I was expecting something a little different. And they did go back to the older leather. This is like, reminds me of a pair of like maybe the 09 pack, those Chicago Breads, or maybe like a 2013 pair. You see it has like the smooth straight leather on the toe box, but on the 2016 it has that nice tumble leather, man. So let me know what y'all would rather have. Would you rather have like a 2016 touch with this nice tumble, or would you rather have the 85 with the new cuts and the straight stitching and the smooth leather, man? It's not a bad shoe. It's not a bad shoe at all, but I honestly would, I still would rather rock a 2016 pair. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these really quick, so you guys can see these details, see these colors up close, see how smooth this leather is. And you guys can really make your make your honest opinions. You guys get a good view of them, man. Got the 85 OG highs. Now as we get up close and personal with these joints, man, you see they went back to the red box from the Fearless joints that I always talk about. Black Nike sign, black Nike check on there. Tag reads Air Jordan 1, high 85, varsity red, black, and varsity red. This is a size 12. I probably will go ahead and wear these, man. Y'all know I love Bread ones. Got the receipt right here from Foot Locker in Chicago, from South State Street. You know, both shoes come with a nice dust bag for each individual shoe, not just for the pair. They come wrapped up in paper. I've seen a lot of people saying that if you put the shoes in a dust bag, the black will stain the white on the midsole. So just for those people who haven't heard that, if you're gonna do them leave them in a dust bag, go ahead and wrap them up, or just take the dust bags out all together. But you see it has this smooth leather all the way around, like a 09 pair or a 2013 pair. Has the flipping of the black and the red in certain spots, but it still kind of resembles a Bread. It's a nice cut, nice stitching. The tag on the tongue is a lot bigger. The Nike sign is a lot bigger than a regular pair. The Wings logo is just a tad different. White midsole, you know, black outsole. I believe these were numbered to 23,000 pairs, and this pair is number 15,191 out of 23,000. I mean, so they're pretty limited, man. They did their thing with the lace bags. I mean, with the dust bags, adding a little extra to it. Like I said, it's a size 12. They got a tag on the inside. Just shows some info like a production sticker from any other shoe. But like I said, man, for a retail price of $200, I say they didn't do a bad job, man, by adding the extra details on it, adding the lace bags and leaving them numbered, man. They just added a nice little touch to it. So y'all let me know how y'all feeling. Was y'all able to grab these, or you looking to grab them on the aftermarket, man? Just give me your honest opinions. Now that just about wraps it up for this video, y'all. Y'all got my releases for the month of February. Everything that I picked up, man. We got the UNC to Chicago 1s. We got the Chicago All-Star 3s. And I finally got my white laces, Chicago, on the back of those joints. Got the OG high 85 reverse Bread joints. Everybody's been talking about these, man. They finally came out, and the market is kind of dropping on the resale. So y'all let me know if that's affecting your decision to buy them, or you're gonna wait till the price drops and then try to grab them. And last but not least, I got my babies, these Off-White Jordan 5s, man. Nike Air on the back. These are my shoe of the year for right now. I've seen the mock-ups of the next Jordan 5 that's supposed to come. They're not better than these, man. So as of right now, I don't see anything in the future that's gonna top this shoe. But you never know, man. We'll see. But till next time on the next video, man. You got my releases for February. Peace.